Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are good. So in this video we are going to make a determinant progress bar. You can see in the right of corner of the screen that there is a emulator running. So in this activity I have make a simple progress bar design, and in the center of the progress bar I have added a simple text view that shows how much the progress bar have progresses. So there are two buttons down, one is for increasing and other is for decreasing. So when I press the increase button, it will increase the progress of the progress bar. You can see here it goes to 100, and when I decrease, so this type of determinant progress bar we are going to make in this video. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe the channel so any video related to Android development, whenever I upload it, you should be notified. In video you have to understand two type of progress bars. One is determinant progress bar and other is indeterminate progress bar. The determinant progress bar is used when we want to display that a specific amount of operation has completed. So then it step by step shows the amount of job that is completed with the progress. Since it shows the ongoing progress and we know how much task is yet to be completed, is called determinant progress bar. So you can see here is an example of determinant progress bar. Down there there is an indeterminate progress bar. We use an indeterminate progress bar when we do not know how long an operation would go. The indeterminate mode is the default mode for progress bar in Android. It shows a cyclic animation because it does not indicate any progress. It's called indeterminate progress bar. So you can use both of these progress bars for your tasks. So now we are going to make a determinant progress bar, not indeterminate progress bar. Design of a progress bar in the drawable. So go to drawable and right click on drawable and create a drawable resource file and name it to progress circle 2, and root element be layer list. So we are using layer list as a root elements because we are using two views upon each other. So for using one view on the other view, we use layer list. So in the layer list, select item, and inside item select shape, and the shape will be ring. So there are some other attribute. Press Ctrl and space and use level to false. Again Ctrl and space. There will be a ratio type, a thickness ratio up to 20, and inside shape select solid. For choosing color, we choose color black. So this item is for the background, and for foreground we will copy this and paste down here. Just we have to change the color to yellow, and that will be the foreground. Okay, now go to the activity XML layout, select here relative layout as a parent. In the relative layout select progress bar, 200 dp as, and height will be 200 dp. And use the attribute center in parent true, so it will be the center in parent. Then now choose indeterminate only to false. So because we are using determinant progress bar, so we have to set it to false. Okay, now we will use our progress drawable, and we have created date of drawable progress circle 2, so that is okay. And down progress bar, select text view for showing how much the progress have done. Text view, wrap, use the attribute center in parent, check it to true. Text color should be black. Text style bold. Text size should be 24 sp, and text should be 0%. okay, you can see here, this is our progress bar and this is a text. So below the text we have to use two buttons for increasing and decreasing. So I can put these buttons in the linear layout. So I use linear layout, width as a match parent, height as a wrap content, and orientation will be horizontal. Inside linear layout, Android dot widget dot button, width is match parent, height will be 50 dp. Background should be of yellow. Margin right 5 dp. Weight should be 1, and use the attribute parent okay. So use this attribute in the linear layout, align parent bottom to true, so it went down. Okay, so the text on this button will be decrease, on click will be decrease. Okay, margin should be 10 dp. Okay, copy this button and paste there. Change text to increase. So you can hear there are the two buttons that are placed in the activity. I minimize it. Okay, so margin bottom. Okay, fine. Here click Alt Enter for creating the functions. So I missed the one thing, that I have not used the progress. Set it to 20. Why it is not changing? Okay, there is something missing in the XML. So here the use level should be true for the foreground. Okay, but for the background the use level should be false. Okay, now check. Okay, this is fine. So you can see here that this progress is not aligned or not starting from the top. So what we have to do is we have to change its orientation. So here select rotate, and inside the rotate from, change either it to from 270 to 270 or 90 minus 90 to 90, negative 90 to negative 90. So copy this and paste here. So now check, yeah, it is fine. So now what we have to do is we have to give the IDs to the progress 2, and same for the text ID text 2. So now we have to declare and initialize these in the activity. So first progress bar and text view and create a variable that will hold the value of the progress. So I create value progress and initialize it to 0. Now initialize the views progress bar equal to find view ID progress to text view equals to find view ID r dot id dot text to create a function here, update progress. Okay, public, sorry, created to private void update. Acha, in this you have to set the progress bar progress value and text that you want to add in the text view. So first I will add progress bar dot set progress, give it the value whatever the progress bar have. So value progress is the variable that we are using. So here text set text, set the text to so we want the value progress to be set to the text view with concatenation of %. Okay, so for decrease we have to use the condition if the value progress is greater than or equal to 20, so decrement it to, so change the value progress by 20 and call the function update progress. Okay, copy this and paste here, but change less than and 80 and change plus. So call this function update progress in the main activity. So now I will run this. So you can see here that when I click increase, it incrementing the progress, and when I decrease, it decrement the progress with the text